Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Here you can set the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first press your up or down volume button here, and now you can see that just by press down volume button we can also mute our device ringtone. And also we can do it by the third way. Just press down volume button, for example, and up volume button and down the transmitter, and then manually with your finger slide to the down this volume panel. And by this way we can also mute our device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.